How to fix Facebook error performing query issue. In this video we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Facebook. Open then Facebook. Scroll down and click on storage. Click on the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back. Click on force stop, click OK, and now go to permissions, go to files and media, allow access to media only, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.